Hi, I'm Connor, and today I'm going to show you how to make these.
What are they called? Do you know?
No.
Little Smokies?
Little Smokies.
All right. How do you make them?
So first, you need to get those things that
The crescent rolls?
Yeah, crescent rolls from like Aldi or something, which is the best store ever. And you need to open it and then divide them into these little squares, these little triangles.
Okay.
They're about this big, and then you use this to cut them into smaller triangles. Then you grab a mini hot dog, and then you wrap it around, and then you roll it up, and then you put it on your plate, and then you do it again. And then after this, but first you have to spray the pan.
Yeah.
So they don't stick. And after you make all of your things, little Smokies, then
Watch your fingers.
You put them in the oven?
Yep. Watch your fingers, okay?
Oh.
That's super sharp. You're doing a very good job. You want to tell everybody thanks for watching?
Thanks for watching, and I'll make another video showing you how to put them in the oven. Hey, this is Connor, and this is part 2 of the Little Smokies. And when you're done wrapping them in this bread, make sure you space them out. And then...
Do you remember what temperature?
375.
Be careful. So 375 degrees. You get it in. Close the door. And how long are we going to cook them for?
375
For
degrees.
about 20 to 25 minutes.
Yeah, for about 20 to 25 minutes.
All right, and are you going to do another video showing the finished product? Okay, so see you next time.
See you next time. Hey, this is part 3 of the Little Smokies, and they're finally finished. It took 20 minutes, and you really need to use these so you don't burn yourself, and you still have to be careful with these. When you do this, and they can't be gooey or look gooey. If they are, then they're not done yet.
Okay.
And
then what do you do?
then you dig in.